Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular security devices from Ring, the Floodlight Cam Wired Plus and the Video Doorbell. Both products offer unique features designed to enhance your home security. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one fits your needs best. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus comes equipped with powerful integrated LED floodlights that illuminate your surroundings, providing enhanced visibility and security. In contrast, the Ring Video Doorbell relies on ambient light or additional lighting, which may limit its effectiveness during nighttime. This key difference makes the Floodlight Cam a better choice for those looking for a comprehensive security solution. When it comes to power supply, the Ring Floodlight Cam is a hardwired device, which means it requires professional installation and a constant power source. On the other hand, the Ring Video Doorbell offers flexibility with its rechargeable battery option, allowing for easier installation and placement without the need for wiring. This makes the Video Doorbell a more versatile choice for various home setups. In terms of design, the Ring Floodlight Cam is larger and more substantial, featuring a robust build that houses its floodlights and camera. This can be a drawback for those looking for a sleek appearance. Conversely, the Ring Video Doorbell boasts a compact and discreet design, making it a perfect fit for any home exterior without drawing too much attention. This difference in size and aesthetics can influence your choice based on your preferences. In conclusion, both the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus and the Ring Video Doorbell offer valuable features for home security. The Floodlight Cam excels in lighting and deterrence, while the Video Doorbell provides flexibility and ease of installation. Consider your specific needs, budgets, and preferences before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.